Hello. Got my Bass 6 from Chicago Music Exchange, and I'm going to do a little unboxing video so you can see what a Bass 6 looks like. Now, I pre-ordered this bad boy, I don't know, maybe 5 months ago, 6 months ago, something like that. I hope I'm in frame because I can't see anything. So, got it today. We're going to see what the Bass 6 looks like. Box in a box. Sorry, cats. Alright, so here's the Bass 6. And oops, with scissors. That. Okay, getting closer. Oh, tags. That's a good sign. I've got, I think this is the whammy bar and some attachments. And more packaging. It's like Christmas. It's like Christmas. Oh, buddy. Look at this beaut. 1 pound. There she is. Turn a light on so you can see inside. This is it. Get free online lessons. That's cool. But yeah, I'm going to see what she'll do. Kind of heavy, but it's big. So yeah. Okay, so I got the two side by side. One's a Jaguar, one's a Jazzmaster, but it's not that much bigger. I was expecting it a lot more bigger. There's the side by siders. You can see it's just a tiny bit. I guess it's a lot of bit, but I always thought that this string here was, what is it? It is wound. I'll be darned. Okay, so that's a wound string. But I always kind of thought that was the bass. I don't know. So I got a wound string here, non-wound here. So that's different. Not that big, which is good. All right, well, I've been doodling around with it. I'm out of practice. My fingers hurt. I think it's got some really interesting tones. Everything seems to be set up pretty good. I mean, I'm not really a good guitar aficionado, so I don't really know. But I think I went playing it and going, oh, this needs to definitely do something. But yeah, it was pretty neat. I think for clean music, it's going to be really good. I think, because it's got some really cool things. But heavy stuff, it's like, I don't know. I can't really tell because I'm not playing through an amp. I'm just playing through my little pedal board. So I'll have to kind of get in volume and see how it's going to sound. But it's different, way different. So,